Hi, I will be doing a SWOT analysis of Clumber Park Lodges, located in Nottinghamshire, just south of Worksop. Is this available for families and for people who enjoy nature and little getaways in the wildlife? Some of the strengths I believe to be is that it's nearby local attractions with the likes of Bolsover Castle just around the corner from them. There's also free parking for customers and also charging points for electric cars, so it's available for people who have all types of cars. It's pet friendly in some of the cabins. As you can see in the top right corner, there's various types of accommodation where it sleeps from 2 to 8 people, going from your nice standard cabin up to your spa, which includes hot tubs and numerous other things. As you can see, there's a parent company has bought it out, who also runs 23 other locations around the UK, which states to me that it has potential into finding a great another business. However, it does have a numerous amount of weaknesses. The maximum people that it does control is 8, so you can't bring massive amount of people there. You'd have to either split into 2 cabins. Also the social media pages lack a lot of activity, as there hasn't been many posts or anything on the pages, which I think is an opportunity which I'll go into in the next phase. There's also not very good reviews on TripAdvisor, and there hasn't been any repercussions or any actions taken from the comments where they've not been replied to. So the Wi-Fi and signal has said to be on the poorer side, which can affect people if they want to have work phones from the business and things like that. There's a lack of teenage facilities at the leisure resort, which can impact someone if they're going to be bored, or they're going to impact their reviews and stuff like that. There's a limited amount of things to do inside the resort. You've got things like local wildlife, bike hire, golf, but it's not for everyone. I think there needs to be more activities run for other people. So as for the opportunities, I think that the restaurant and bar is only open till 8, so I think you can also extend their times, as I think people might look at that and think, oh, we may as well go somewhere else, which will bring money to somewhere else instead of the Clumber Park Lodges. And also the company could start a kids club where the younger generation aren't as bored during the day. They can have fun with other people in the site and make new friends and stuff like that. As there is an opportunity for there to be a social media rep, as a massive growth of users in the world that use social media websites in recent times, as seen by the graph here, where a lot of people are using it more than one time a day, which shows that they are active on the phone. Also, the rising cost of living shows that people are more likely to have holidays in the UK, whereas as abroad, as it is more cost effective, and they can enjoy the time around the resort. However, there are many threats. Corporate tax is increasing for companies after the Brexit deal, and is expected to rise to 25% by April, which obviously will take a massive hit to companies like this, as the tax they'll have to pay will increase. There is a limited number of public transport available, as well as the closest bus stop being 1.5 miles away. This will impact people who can't drive there, will want to just get the bus there, but they'll have to walk. So I feel like some type of coach from the bus station to the resort might be a good idea. And also, the Clumber Park Lodges is located near Centre Parks, which can result in people more going for the Centre Parks route, because it's more out there and they have more facilities around. And these are the competitors. The Cumberland Farm is only around the corner, where it has buffet breakfast and is more of a luxurious stay, and it's only a 10-minute drive from the town of Worksop, so the pubs and restaurants may receive the business of the residents staying in the area. As also mentioned before, Centre Parks Sherwood is just a 20-minute car journey away, which will affect how many people choose Clumber Park Lodges over Centre Parks. And also in the nearby area, there are many hotels, campsites and other lodges, and includes spas, which may attract other visitors because they're looking for a more luxurious stay than Clumber Park Lodges.